As you make CRM work for you and your business, you want to be sure it matches your most important details. That's what custom fields do. Out of the box, Salesforce's free suite includes standard fields that are relevant to specific records, like having a phone number and an email address for a contact. But if there's something unique to your business that's important to you to track that doesn't come standard with Salesforce, you can easily create a custom field to include that important information. To create a custom field, open the Quick Settings and click on Fields. From here, you'll be prompted to choose where you'd like your new field to appear. You can include unique fields with your deals with customers, companies you do business with, contacts, leads, or your service cases. Then you can customize the field based on what you want it to be. For a text input field, you can give it a name, character limit, note if it's required or not, or has a default value. You can also make it so your field requires specific numbers, percentages, or currencies. There are also a few simple options for unique fields for dates, checkboxes, phone numbers, email addresses, and web URLs. After putting in the details for the custom field you'd like to create, give the details a final look over, then hit Save. And when you're ready, go check your work. Your new custom field should be live and ready to be used. Adding custom fields are an important step for making CRM really work for you. In fact, we recommend setting up your custom fields early on in the process, even before you import your spreadsheets, so that you can easily stay organized and start doing more with your customer data.